Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab an item, unbox it, talk about it, and talk about what it does. Today we have the SS4.1300 from DD Audio. The hype behind these guys is the compact size that doesn't stop the amp from exerting insane amounts of clean power. It is one of the newest additions to the SS or super small series that DD Audio has been producing, focusing on big clean power in a small package. Now onto some of the specs. The continuous wattage at 4 ohms is up to 200 watts. And the continuous wattage at 2 ohms is over 300 watts. So despite its size, it can still exert insane amounts of power. It has a heavyweight DD aluminum chassis, set screw and power speaker terminals, 4 AWG power terminals, and high-level inputs. The SS4-1300 utilizes premium components, including high current MOSFETs, upgraded output devices, larger power capacitors, a more robust transformer, and enhanced venting with a PCB that has double the thermal capacity. So to recap, the SS4-1300 is a 1300 watts RMS 4-channel amplifier that is small, sleek, compact, but very powerful. Due to how small it is, you can fit it almost anywhere, which is the greatest part about this item. It's also its main feature. If you guys want this, we have it at our shop for $359. You can find it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/DD Audio. If you like this video, please like, share, and also comment what you'd like to see me unbox next. In the meantime, see you next time.